bit more asthma, so we decided to hook him up to the nebulizer and see if we can't get it under control for the day.
Hi, my name's Jordan, but they call me Nano. I'm Aaliyah, or Mia.
And this is our baby Jackson. Join 3 Smartypants kids. They're Mommy.
And Daddy. Making memories.
As a family.
Last day of school. Dance party. Dance party. Dance party. Last day of school. What are you doing? That's not a dance. Dance, baby. Dance party. Dance party. Oh. What's he doing? He's doing the fall down. Doing the fall down.
He's doing the Frankenstein.
All right, everybody do the last day of school. Last day of school.
Okay, I'll do the last day of school.
No, the last day of school, not the after the last day of school. All right, come on, let's go. We gotta go.
Yeah.
Hey, it's the last day of school, and guess what? We have to go get your Nano early. And this guy, I just had to wake him up, and he was so upset. He wanted to do time to go get Nano, and now he's just not. But I got a call from the school. Nano doesn't feel good. We have to go get him right now, okay?
Oh no.
Let's go.
Nano don't feel good.
We'll be right there, Nano.
We'll be right there, Nano.
So we found him. How are you feeling, buddy? It was just his asthma acting up, so he needed his inhaler. And now that you had it, how are you feeling?
About 53% better.
53% better. There you
So
have it,
almost
guys.
like 60. I feel
Almost
4% better.
4%? Why? What happened to you? What's up, fish face? Hey, look. Now you're 4 eyes. You always call me 4 eyes. Now you're 4 eyes. Look.
Hi guys.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Your hog looks like 4 eyes.
So Nano's having a little bit more asthma, so we decided to hook him up to the nebulizer and see if we can't get it under control for the day. So he's gonna hang out here and breathe in some medicine
Goosebumps.
and finish watching Goosebumps in a minute. Yep.
Goosebumps, the movie,
The movie.
which is exciting.
All right, feel better, kiddo.
Okay.
What's she doing? Jackson wants me to show you guys that this is sleeping. Are you gonna wake her up? Okay, wake her up. Tell her wake up. Tell her wake up.
So I guess it doesn't like.
Tell her wake up.
No, yeah, it says on.
Wake up. Tell her. Say wake up. We gotta go get Daddy. We had lunch with Daddy and then we dropped him off at work, so Daddy doesn't have a car. We have to go get Daddy. And this girly pie is sleeping. Hi, baby. Feel better? Daddy? Wanna get Daddy? Tell Mia. Let's get Daddy. And then there's Nano that took his shirt off for some unknown reason. I'm still not quite sure why he took his shirt off.
My shirt was wet.
I don't know why it would be wet, but he said his shirt was wet, so he took it off, and he's been sitting here kind of chilling, making sure that his asthma stays gone for a little while, and watching TV, right? So we haven't really done much, but yeah, it's alright. Just hanging out, right?
Yeah, we should do like something that we have to sit down for. Like
You mean
this,
like watch TV?
no, like the
Because your eyes have not left the TV since I started talking to you.
like the sit down
There,
challenge.
hey, you look at it. Oh, just for a second though.
Like the sit down challenge.
The sit down challenge. You could win that challenge hands down.
Yeah.
You're the bestest sitter I know.
No, you're the bestest. Daddy's the laziest.
I don't think Daddy's the laziest. Daddy's the one that's worked the hardest today, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, we gotta go get Daddy because he doesn't have a car. So wrap it up, okay?
Okay.
Miss you, love you, bye.
I love you, bye.
Actually, I'm not going anywhere, but
Still feel good. But I feel much better.
Yeah, Nano's not allowed to get off the couch because every time he gets off the couch, he starts having asthma problems. Mia is having a serious runny nose issue, which is making her nose sore, and she's being kind of a drama queen about it, so that's not so much fun. Jackson's the only one that seems to be feeling a little bit better, and he, once in a while, sneezes a couple of times, but he's feeling good enough to be ornery, I suppose, so that's good. And there's Dad, the culprit of all this nonsense. The one that brought it all home.
It only lasts 2 days and you're fine.
Bad Daddy!
Hey.
Go sleep outside!
Go sleep outside! But we don't have anyone to do our thumbnails.
Okay, you can come in long enough to do the
That's
thumbnail.
all I'm good for, just for thumbnails.
Stop it! Ah, stop it! Ah, stop it!
Huh?
Today has been a sick day. We had to go get Nano early from school on the very last day of the year. He's not been feeling good ever since. Malia feels like garbage. Jackson and his tickle feet feel fine. I'm glad he feels better, but I really hope the rest of us start feeling better soon. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you want to make this channel strong,
Say it with your friend.
but for now,
Good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow.
hopefully we don't feel like this anymore. Good night.